Have you ever wanted to use ChatGPT, Claude Opus, and Google Gemini without paying for multiple subscriptions? What if I told you that you can use and access all of these premium AI model from a single platform for free? In today's video, I'll show you how you exactly do that using ClickUp. We'll create a free account, enable ClickUp Brain, and then I will show you how to switch between different AI models in just few click. So let's just get started. So just to do that, open your browser and just go to ClickUp and click the link. It appears on the first. So over there you can see that you have option to sign up and click on the sign up, and then will come in this interface and you have to click get started for free. And after you click that, the sign in form like this appears. So enter a credential and then sign up with your email. So after you click on the sign up button, um, it will send you a verification email. So for that, I suggest you to use the temp mail like this and then verify the code from here so that you will never run out of the limit. Okay. And here you can see that here comes the link and click go to verify. So now once you are in the workspace like this, you just have to select one of the option for ClickUp, and I'm gonna select school for this, and any of the option like this, and then skip your phone number part and skip other multiple email part too. Just say anything here and click finish. Now we are on the ClickUp home screen. To access all of the AI model, look at the left sidebar. You will see an option called AI. Just click on it. Once you open it, you will see ClickUp Brain. This is where all of the AI features are available. At the top, you will notice different models by clicking the drop-down menu. And here you can see that there are two modes, Ask mode and Agent mode. If you are planning for a trip, researching a topic, comparing products, writing content, or debugging code, Ask mode is one that you will use for most often tasks. And the next option is Agent mode. So agent mode is a more powerful balance. It can perform multi-step tasks for you. Instead of simply answering questions, it can help you to complete the workflow, generate detailed reports, organize information, and assist with more complex tasks. The best part is that from the single interface, you can choose between different AI models like Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT, and new model of ChatGPT like Terra Luna and the Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT Soul 5.62. So you don't have to open different multiple website or switch between different tab anymore. You already have seen that how many AI models we do have here in the ClickUp. So now let's begin working with them. Okay. Instead of just asking AI a simple question, let's build something useful with AI. I'll show you how to create an entire project from scratch using ClickUp Brain. We will give it a prompt and we are going to build a website. Then we will see how it organizes the task, its milestone, and everything else automatically. Okay. Instead of asking a simple question, let's use AI to build something practical. In my case, I'm going to ask it to design my personal portfolio website. For this, I have to select the model from here, and I'm going to select the most powerful and the most recent one, that is GPT 5.6 Soul model. And I have already ready the prompt, so I will just paste it over here. I have written a detailed prompt that describes what I want. I have also taken an inspiration from an open source developer's portfolio that I found in GitHub. I am not asking the AI to copy it. Instead, I want it to understand the overall design style, combine these ideas to my portfolio, and create something unique that matches with my personal brand. Also notice that I am not providing any photos of myself. The AI will generate the design based on the prompt and the information I give it. Let's submit the prompt and let's see what it comes up with. All right, the generation is complete. Let's take a look at what ClickUp Brain has created with the help of GPT Solve. You can see that it has created an entire portfolio website based on the prompt I have provided. I asked to take an inspiration from an open source developer's portfolio while combining it with my own personal information and style. The goal was not to copy an existing website but to create something original that captures the same level of quality and professionalism. What it impresses me is that I didn't provide any image of myself. Everything you are seeing here is generated from the prompt alone. And it created the layout, section, color schemes, typography, and content structure, and all the overall design directions automatically. This gives you a solid starting point. From here. You can customize the text, replace the placeholder, content, add your own photo if you want, and make any design changes to match your professional brand. Instead of spending hours designing portfolio from the scratch, it gives you a working prototype within a minute. Whether you are a developer, designer, student, or freelancer, this can save a significant amount of time during the initial design phase. Personally, I think that the result is quite impressive if it understood my requirement well, produced a modern portfolio that I can continue refining. The best part is that this is just an example. You can use the same approach to generate landing pages, business websites, SaaS dashboards, admin panel, documentation site, blogs, and much more simply by changing your prompt. Now it's your turn. Try giving your own idea and see what it creates. You might be surprised by how good the first draft turned out to be. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the future tutorials on AI web development and latest tech tool. If you have any questions or want me to cover a specific AI tool in the next video, then let me know in the comment below. Thank you.